Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Zapier for monetization automation, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with monetization automation using Zapier, first, log into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button located at the top right corner of the dashboard. You will see two sections, the trigger and the action. Begin by setting up the trigger. Select the app that will serve as your trigger source. Connect your account by entering the necessary credentials and authorizing Zapier to access it. Once validated, proceed to the Action section. In the Action part, choose the app where you want to send the data. Common choices include payment platforms or analytic tools, depending on your monetization strategy. Connect the necessary account for the chosen app just like you did for the trigger app. Now, select the event that you want to happen as a result of the trigger. For example, you can choose to create a new record or notify your team. Configure the action settings by mapping the data fields from the trigger app to the action app. Test the action to verify that the data flows correctly from one app to another. Once the test is successful, give your Zap a relevant name. Finally, switch your Zap on to activate the automation. Now, your monetization automation with Zapier is set up and running smoothly. Monitor its performance regularly to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize your automation process over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.